Hello everyone. Today we'll see the problems on dummy load method for simply supported and overhanging beam. Okay, so this is given. This is simply supported 150 kilonewton load is acting at C. EI is given to find out deflection and slope at point C. Okay, so first step to find out deflection at point C. So first assume the dummy load has P in the point C. Okay, and this you are finding vertical direction load. So deflection, so you have to vertical load you assume as P. Then find out V and VB in, for this diagram. Okay, so for further summation y equal to 0, upward as positive, VA plus VB equal to P. Then summation at moment at A is equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So this is anti-clockwise minus VB into total distance is 8. Then plus P into 2 equal to 0. Next VB is equal to, just calculate, you will get 0.25 times P, and VA has P minus 0.25, that is 0.75 times P. Okay. Next do this tabulation, section, origin, limit, M, dou M by dou P and I. Here section is BC and AC, two members. Origin as, take here at origin as B and origin as A. This is usually we'll write to find out the moment. At moment from which direction or which point you are going to consider. So for that you have to consider this origin. Limit, distance, BC distance, so 0 to 6, and AC distance 0 to 2. Here 6 meter, here 2 meter, member distance it is. So next to find out moment. So here origin is B, so consider here this as X, and this VA is given, VA is 0.75 times P, this is 0.25 times P. Okay, so this will be upward as moment, upward as positive, downward as negative. So upward it is, so plus 0.25 times P, only that P into distance is X distance. Okay, then dou M by dou P is 0.25 times, differentiate this, you will get 0.25 times X. Okay, next consider here this side at origin as A, so this will be our X, so it is nothing but 0 to 2, or this is point upward, so positive 0.75 times P into distance as X. Now again differentiate it, you will get 0.75 times X. Here moment of inertia is same, so it is just II. Next you have formula, that is M by EI, dou M by dou P equal into dx. Just write along with the limit. So first member is 0 to 6, M is nothing but this 0.25 P into X, and dou M by dou P is 0.25 X divided by EI into dx. First section. Next one 0 to 2, that is 0.75 times P into X into 0.75 X dx divided by EI. Okay, just integrate it and get the value of delta VC. So delta VC is equal to, after integration you have 4.5 P by EI and plus 1.5 P by EI, 4.5 P by EI plus 1.5 P by EI. Okay, here P is equal to, here P is known, that is 150 kilonewton. So P is 150 kilonewton. Substitute, you will have delta VC, that is 6P, 6 into 150 divided by EI is given, that is 10 into 10 power 4. Just calculate and get the value, 9 into 10 power minus 3 meter, which is equal to 9 mm. Is it clear? Next we will see, they have asked slope for slope you have to consider the rotation P, that is consider this rotation along with the load given. Okay, so rotation P, and for this diagram now find out the reaction. So summation y equal to 0 upward as positive and VA plus B equal to 150 degree. Summation MA equal to 0 clockwise as positive. So minus VB into A plus this is only just, it is clockwise moment, so it is in kilonewton meter, so directly just write plus P, then this again plus clockwise 150 into distance 2 equal to 0. Now calculate, get the value of VB and substitute back in this, get the value of VA. So VA is minus 0.125 P plus 112.5, VB is 0.125 P plus 37.5. Okay. Next, similarly same step, find this, do the tabulation and find out the first moment. So your value is here, that is x. So write this 0.125 P plus 37.5 upward, so positive, into x. Next, differentiate it, you will have 0.125 x. Just differentiate with this in terms of P, so it is 0.125 into x. Similarly, this side now A as origin, so your section is here, so it is at x distance, so you have minus 0.125 P plus 112.5 into x, so you have minus 0.125 times x. Okay. Next, find out theta c. Again same this thing formula. So you will have 0 to 6, m is this, so 0.125 P plus 37.5 into x into dou m by dou p is 0.125 times x into dx divided by EI. Similarly 0 to 2, this one minus 0.125 P plus 112.5 into x into minus 0.125 x dx divided by EI. Simplify and get the value of theta c. So theta c is nothing but, you will have, I'll write last step of the simplification, 0.125 P plus 37.5 into 0.125 into integration of x square EI plus minus 0.125 P plus 112.5 minus 0.125 divided by EI integration of x square. Here 0 to 6 limit, here 0 to 2 limit. Okay, simplify it, you have theta c as, after simplification, .125 P plus 37.5 into 0.125 divided by EI. Integration of x square is nothing but x power n, integration is nothing but x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x cube divided by 3 limit 0 to 6 plus 0.5 minus 0.125 divided by EI. Again it is x square, so x cube by 3, 0 to 2. Okay, is it clear? Now just simplify get the value of theta c. Theta c is nothing but you have 1.125p divided by EI plus the 337.5 by EI plus 0.0417p by EI minus 37.5 by EI. Here this rotation P is nothing given in the problem, so P is equal to 0. Just substitute P is equal to 0 and EI is 10 into 10 power 4. So you will have 337.5 minus 37.5 divided by EI, that is 10 into 10 power 4. We will get in radians, that is nothing but 0.003 radians. Okay, is it clear? Next we will go on overhanging beam. So this is overhanging beam, 30 kilonewton per meter and 10 kilonewton is given. EI is 10 to 10 power 4 kilonewton meter square. Delta C, find out delta C, deflection at point C. So deflection at point C, so you have to assume there a dummy load P, and for that diagram you have to find out the reaction. So summation y equal to 0, upward as positive, VA plus VB equal to 30 into 5 plus P. So summation MA equal to 0, that is moment at A is equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So this is VB into 5 plus 30 into 5 into 5 by 2 plus P into 7, which is equal to 0. So calculate, get the value of VB. So 75 plus 1.4p. VA is 75 minus 0.4p. So VA is 75 minus 0.4p. VB is 75 plus 1.4p. Then draw the tabulation. So BC, AB are the member. C, here first this as origin, and for this member take A as origin. Limit 0 to 2, 0 to 5. So taking this as limit, mark section X. So it will be minus P into X. Downward as negative, upward as positive. So minus P into X. This will be minus X. Next, take this as origin. Distance X. You have VA into X. That is VA is 75 minus 0.4p into X. Then you have this UDL. So UDL is minus 30 into X square by 2. X into X by 2. So X square by 2. Now find out differentiation of this. So it will be minus 0.4 into X. Minus 0.4 into X. Next, write this. So 0 to 2. You have minus P into X into minus X divided by EI into dx plus 0 to 5. 75 minus 0.4 P into X minus 30 X square by 2 whole bracket into minus 0.4x dx divided by EI. Okay. Now simplify and get the value of delta C. Simplify it. It is 0 to 2. So minus will be plus. So plus P into X is X square divided by EI plus 0 to 5. Take these two different parts. So you have 75 minus 0.4p into X into minus 0.4 into X. So minus 0.4 into X square dx divided by EI, and this minus 30 X square integration 0 to 5 minus 30 x square by 2 into, you will have minus into minus, that is plus, or minus 0.4 x dx. So this will be, just multiply this x over here, so you will have x cube minus 0.4 into dx. Now integrate it, so you have p by ei as a constant, so integration of x square is nothing but x cube by 3, that is x power n is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, n is here 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 by 3, x cube by 3, limit 0 to 2, plus similarly this one, take constant outside, so you have minus, that is 75 minus 0.4 p into 0.4 divided by ei, and again integration of x square, so that is nothing but x cube by 3 power 0 to 5 limit. Next this, so you will have minus into minus, you have plus, so plus 30 and this is 15, so you have 15 into 0.4, integration of x cube is 3 plus 1, that is 4, so x 4 by 4, limitation 0 to 5. Finally simplify it, you will get the value. You will have final value 9.33 p by ei and minus 312.5 by ei. Now substitute the value. This is delta C in terms of P. So you know that here P is nothing but 10 kilonewton from the problem. So P is equal to 10 kilonewton. Substitute this P and substitute this EI. You have 9.33 into 10 divided by EI is 10 into 10 power 4 minus 312.5 by 10 into 10 power 4. You will have delta C equal to minus 2.19 into 10 power minus 3 meter, which is equal to 2.19 mm, and here minus, so your deflection is upward. Okay, if you get negative side, the deflection will be in opposite direction. That's all. Thank you.